What is Pipedrive? Pipedrive is a popular customer relationship management (CRM) software designed to help businesses streamline their sales processes and manage customer interactions more efficiently. It's built with a focus on sales teams, offering tools that make it easy to track leads, automate tasks, and close deals. With its intuitive and user-friendly interface, Pipedrive allows companies to visualize their sales pipeline, track performance, and manage contacts, all in one place. Pipedrive Products, Sales CRM, core product that helps businesses organize leads, track communications, and close deals faster. It provides a clear visual pipeline and offers customizable stages to track progress. Lead generation. Pipedrive offers lead generation tools such as Lead Booster, a chatbot that automatically captures leads from websites and adds them to the CRM. Email marketing. With Campaigns by Pipedrive, users can create email campaigns, send personalized emails, and track engagement. Automations. Automation features allow users to reduce repetitive tasks. You can set up workflows for reminders, follow-up emails, or status updates, helping your team stay organized and efficient. Reporting and analytics. Detailed reports on sales activities, revenue, and performance metrics are available to track progress and optimize your sales efforts. Mobile app. The Pipedrive mobile app lets you manage your CRM from anywhere. With access to all your contacts, deals, and data on the go. Pipedrive pricing. Pipedrive offers several pricing plans, making it adaptable to businesses of all sizes. Essential plan, $12 per user/month. Billed annually, ideal for small teams with core features such as visual pipelines, contact management, and 24/7 support. Advanced plan, $24 per user/month. Billed annually, includes advanced features like workflow automation, email sync, and template management for enhanced efficiency. Professional plan, $49 per user/month, billed annually. Enterprise plan, $79 per user/month, billed annually, suitable for large enterprises with advanced permissions, unlimited reporting, and customization options for complex needs. Find the link for Pipedrive and get a big discount for today. Why choose Pipedrive? If you're looking to streamline your sales processes, Pipedrive offers a range of features that can help you manage your pipeline with ease. It's not just about organizing your sales. It's about boosting productivity, automating tasks, and ensuring that no lead slips through the cracks. With easy-to-use tools, powerful integrations, and highly customizable features, Pipedrive is the ideal CRM for businesses that want to focus on closing deals faster. Plus, its pricing plans are affordable and scalable, so whether you're a small startup or an enterprise, you can find a plan that suits your needs. Why buy Pipedrive? Increase your sales efficiency. Pipedrive's intuitive pipeline view and automation tools help you focus on what matters most: closing deals. Automation saves time. Say goodbye to repetitive tasks with Pipedrive's workflow automation, ensuring you never miss an opportunity. Boost team productivity. With real-time analytics and reporting, you can track progress and optimize your team's performance. Affordable plans. Whether you're a small business or a large company, Pipedrive offers flexible pricing plans to match your growth. Don't wait. Get Pipedrive today to start improving your sales process and managing your deals more effectively. You can find the link for Pipedrive and get a big discount only for today. Have a nice day.